Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to sign in, how to create accounts on ChatGPT. So before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So what you have to do firstly, you have to go over there that is showing login, and you have to continue with Apple, continue with Google, sign up or login. So we are about to create an account. So what you have to do is for you to go over these three options here, either continue with Apple or Google. So let me go over to sign up, and what you have to do is for you to enter your email, type in your email over here. Then when you are done typing it, then you go over to continue, and it's loading. So over here it says ChatGPT want to use openai.com to sign in. Let me go over to continue. And it's done. Simple. As you can see, it's very simple for you to create an account on ChatGPT and for you to sign into. It's very easy. Either you're using your email or if you're using Apple or Google, whichever one you are using, it's good. You can able to generate image, pictures and whatever you want here for free. And that is it, and this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.